Another one of these problems here where I'm going to have to calculate the value. So let's get into this because these do take a little bit of time. So null hypothesis is correlation between temperature, connection between temperature and bottles of water sold. So correlation in temperature, null hypothesis is temperature and number of water bottles sold is independent, and alternate hypothesis is temperature, number of water bottles is independent. Critical value 13.277. Write a description of whether the null hypothesis where the null hypothesis should be accepted or rejected. So if the chi-square value is less than 13.277, accept the null hypothesis, and if the chi-square value is more than 13.277, reject the null hypothesis. Okay, so now we actually have to calculate this. So I got to go to my calculator, and in matrix A, I need to put in the observed frequency table. So it's 3 by 3 again. Whoops. So I want this to be 49 times 32. So 49 times 32 divided by 150. And the next one is 49 times 80 divided by 150. And then 49 times 38 divided by 150. 58 times 32 divided by 150. 58 times 80 divided by 150. 58 times 38 divided by 150. 43 times 32 divided by 150. 43 times 80 divided by 150. And then 43 times 38 divided by 150. So there's my matrix B. Oh, wait. No, I just did. So let me do this again. This is matrix A. That should be what matrix B is. I'll have to do it again. I could mess around and do something there, but I'm not going to. So I need to put in the 14, 23. I got ahead of myself. 12, 10, 31, 17, 8, 26, 9. Those are the frequencies, the numbers that I get when I observe, when I tally my results. And then in matrix B, I did matrix A again. Having a few problems there with this one. Matrix B, it's a 3 by 3 again. So now I'm going to go through and do what I just did a minute ago. So 49 times 32 divided by 150. 49 times 80 divided by 150. 49 times 38 divided by 150. 58 times 32 divided by 150. 58 times 80 divided by 150. 58 times 38 divided by 150. 43 times 32 divided by 150. 43 times 80 divided by 150. 43 times 38 divided by 150. Okay, so now I've got them in the right spot. So I can hit stat, test, come up from the bottom to get the chi-squared. Okay, so I'm going to drop this into there. I should have put the matrix in there too. Trying to get in the habit of putting this matrix in here so I can, whoops, that's not what I want to do. Second matrix. Okay, so now I have my observed frequency, or my expected frequency table I can show. There is my value. So it says if the chi-squared value is less than 13.277, accept the null hypothesis. So my chi-squared value is 3.30. So 3.30 is less than 13.277. So we accept the null hypothesis, and meaning accept the null hypothesis, meaning temperature and number of bottles of water sold are independent. Okay, because the null hypothesis is always that they're independent. So if you accept it, it means your data is independent. If you reject it, it means your data is dependent.